Hi everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can export your contacts in Command. So when you need to export those contacts, you can easily do it within Command. You can export all of your contacts, or you can use filters and search to target specific contacts to export. So I'm going to walk you through doing both of those. But when you export, a copy of those contacts is downloaded as a CSV file, and that CSV file will be sent to you as a link in an email to your KW Communications email. So the first thing we want to do after we log into Command, which is agent.kw.com, is we want to navigate to our profile of record in Command to make sure our KW Communications email is one that we have access to. So in order to do that, you're going to click your name in the top right corner. You're going to click My Profile. And then you're going to click My KW on the left-hand side. And if you scroll down under personal information, you're going to see your KW Communications email. So that is where you are going to receive official KW Communications, but also that export link for your file. So that is an email that we have access to. So we are good to go there. You just want to make sure that it is all set there. And next, we're going to navigate to our contacts applet. That's going to be the square with the person inside of it. Once we're here, first I'm going to show you how you can export all of your contacts. First thing you're going to do is you're going to hit these three dots right here next to the import contacts. And you're going to say export all owned contacts. It's going to say your export is being processed. A link was sent to your KW Communications email. And sometimes you may have to refresh, but you'll also see this right here, which if it is successful, you'll see it right here. It looks like it may have had a problem with that email address. We can try again. But we are going to export that. There we go. And so then the other way you can do that is if you click, if you want to export specific contacts, you're just going to select the contacts we want to export. So you can filter those contacts. So you can see ours are currently filtered already. And we can say we want to select all of those. And then we can click more options in the bottom right corner. And then we can click export right there. And that is going to send us the link also to our KW Communications email. I'm going to show you an example of what that email looks like right here. It'll have the subject line of contact export. And then it's going to say your requested contact export is complete. You can access it here. So if you click this link right here, it's going to automatically download that file for you. And then you will be able to access that and use that however you'd like. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we are always happy to help out.